One of the big things that's changed in PhotoFusion for the 2011 school year is the speed of remote storage. We've really worked on this considerably, and I'll illustrate this by making a layout. I'm just going to take this picture of these kids and put it into the layout with, let's say, a paper in the background and a frame around it. I'll add a little bit of text to the Polaroid saying, for example, first day of school. And I'll also add a bunch of other images down here. Just split this up into a bunch of smaller frames, choose a bunch of images, and then drag them in. So that's just a quick layout, and the point of this illustration here is that when I say save as to remote storage, it looks at the Amazon cloud storage and allows me to say, let's call this first day out. And when I hit save, you'll see a resizing of these images to something which is more than good enough for printing, but will accelerate the upload. Now it's being uploaded. You see that the total time to do this is roughly 30 seconds for those 5 images. We're not uploading the paper or the font or the frame because those exist on the store already. The only thing that's being sent up is the high-res versions of these photographs. When the upload is complete, you'll see that there's a slight delay here as we resize the images so that when Mike, my partner, pulls down this project, he'll be able to pull down a lower resolution version. So Mike, take it away.
Alright, so I'm going to select File, Open, select Remote Storage, double click, bring down the project, and there it is. And I'm just going to make a few minor alterations. So I'll add a little shadow to this text. Let's change the font to something a little more interesting. And let's swap these 2 images here. Actually, let's bring this up a bit. Just make these larger in size. And then we're going to swap these 2 images right here. Okay, and now I'll hit save. And that will save the project back to remote storage. And then I'll just do File, Close, and Mike, take it away.
Okay, I'll choose File, Open, and look in remote storage where I see first day out. Double clicking on that, you'll notice it's very quick to load because most of the images were already available to me. I see that Mike has changed the font, swapped a couple of images, and it's remarkable. It's like I'm working on a local copy of the project, yet it lives in the cloud.